Okay, so we just got this Goodman, 5 years old.
It died prematurely.
But honestly, it's not the unit's fault. It's the installer's fault because they installed a 2.5 ton unit to like ductwork size for like a 1.5 ton, and it killed the compressor. It's cope and scroll, and it is a heat pump. Down there is a reversing valve, right down there, and then has a cope and scroll inside. That's the data. 2013, 2.5 ton. The valves. It is charged. R410A actually. 13 SEER, 8 HSBF. It's actually a pretty solid unit in my opinion, because if you push this in, that's not going to hit the coil unless you actually push in like hard. And that's not going to naturally just get pushed in for some reason. Hail or anything probably can't do that unless it's like a really huge hail.
R410A refrigerant.
Let's dig in now. So we're going to take off the panel. Alright, so we're going to take off the electrical panel before we take off the top. There's only 2 screws, I believe. Yeah. Okay, panel. Take it off. Oh, I'm guessing that they saved all the parts in it. And I don't blame them, because this thing is literally, everything in this unit is working other than the compressor. So it looks like they took out the board and everything. But hey, I don't blame them. Is this the same size? Oh, nice, it is. I guess we probably could remove the motor too if we want. There, now we got good access to cleaning the inside here. Here's the panel removed. We're ready to, all the screws are removed for the grill. I'm gonna water bottle off of it. Okay, let's get it off. I mean, that's good. I mean, this is good quality.
It is a little thick, actually. It's not flimsy at all.
Yeah, that's not at all flimsy. Alright, there's the fan.
Trying to find the
And then, here's the insides. There's the reversing valve, muffler down there, that, the dryer, suction accumulators in like perfect condition, compressor. Get the date on this motor here. Oh, you know what? That barcode thing is still there. What the heck's going on up there?
This is not flimsy at all.
See, the motor's still good in it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.